Hello friends, today I will tell you about light, shadows and reflections. What is light? Light is a form of energy which helps us in seeing object. When light falls on an object, some of the light gets reflected. The reflected light comes to our eyes and we are able to see an object. Importance of light. Light enables us to see every object around us like trees, vehicles, houses, people, etc. At night, due to the absence of sunlight, it becomes dark, which reduces our visibility. Is light moving? If we could see the movement of light nanosecond by nanosecond, 1 billionth of a second is called a nanosecond, then we could clearly see that the light is moving. How light moves? The light travels in a straight line. An example to verify this is to see a candle through straight pipe. You can see the candle, but if you bent it, you would not be able to see the candle. Such property of light is called rectilinear propagation of light. Speed of light. Light is the fastest thing humans have seen. Light takes about 1 second to reach 3 lakh kilometers. So the sunlight takes 8 minutes to reach the earth, which is 150 million kilometers far. Luminous and non-luminous object. Luminous object. An object which produces light is called a luminous object. Examples: sun, bulb, etc. Non-luminous object. An object which does not produce light is called non-luminous object. Example: moon. Bioluminescence. Some animals produce light of their own. They have special parts in their body that emit light. They are called bioluminescence. Transparent, translucent and opaque. Transparent object. An object which allows complete passage to light is called a transparent object. We can clearly see through a transparent object. Translucent object. An object which allows partial passage to light is called a translucent object. We can see through a translucent object, but the vision would be faint. Opaque object. An object which does not allow passage to light is called an opaque object. We cannot see through an opaque object. Shadows. When light falls on an opaque object, a dark patch is formed on the other side of the object if a screen is present on the other side. Three things are required for formation of shadows, namely a source of light, an object and a screen. Information of shadows. The size of shadow depends on the distance of source of light and on the angle at which the light ray fall on the object. If the source of light is closer to the object, a larger shadow is formed. When the source of light is far from the object, the shadow is small. This explains why our shadows are longer in the morning and evening and smaller in the noon. Simplest camera, the pinhole camera. A pinhole camera is a simple device. One can get an inverted and real image in a pinhole camera. A pinhole camera is composed of two boxes. One of the boxes snugly fits inside another box and can be slid to and fro. There is a pin-sized hole at the front of the camera and a translucent screen at the back of the camera. The distance between the pinhole and screen can be adjusted to obtain a clear image of an object. Natural pinhole camera. Natural pinhole camera. When sunlight passes through the leaves of a tree, the gaps between the leaves acts as a natural pinhole camera. These natural pinhole causes nice round images of sun. The pinhole camera is also called camera obscura, meaning a dark chamber. Inverted image. The pinhole camera doesn't give a straight image. Instead, it gives an upside down image. The reason is that the camera allows only a little light to pass, making it inverted. Mirror. When light falls on a shiny surface, the light rays bounce back. This phenomenon is called reflection of light. Mirror is a surface from which most of the incident light gets reflected. Lateral inversion. The mirror also doesn't give a straight image. It turns left to right. This is called lateral inversion. Thank you for watching. Please do like, subscribe and